hodo ayaboa don hwe ba kwintem ye de beto ani mansan ye de live commentary e de atoa so anyway nsema ye de enam no edoso papa nti pa konwa tena so na etie bi na nsema eba no ba ne se ebi wom na eye oda mo bi hunu se Kasiebo no eye ode no waye ye hunu se ade no apemo eba ne se eye ode na mom se de nsem ni si wurawura na ebi wom ye nwanwa wo se aso we tell ya se mama mia ewura una untwi nyo hwe ya simple pagya na mienu no hwe wiem sa no akinchimo na no left right what to na no ko wiem no counter adwem no watem wai wo bia hunu se wo Kasiebo no we fi mi wo ha wo tie news na wo volume ne ketua bi uhunu sa na se wo wia ne ho tie ade pre no ase ko bi volume no o se luku ko ni ye kase achew
hello ko ni ye
anyumen samo edi akoten ewo mu ebi ne se omanfo efiri nkran ko Kumase wona ete amasaman amagost enen sawam ne areas ne nyina se ba be maye nsam so kase a omanfo be fa wiem na wo mu adu poko ase traffic nchi wo mu bio na do se contractor no won hwe ye no enforcement banza bi anya adwuma no nte sa yo de be ye no wo won pe wan hwe ya citizen vigilante matemidu special hospital obama na action
Ghana mampani agina mamra so sameka se wa power temuafo mako ennan se wonfa wani enkyere o mai court kase ka bia obi nka bia mu nkonkoye adwuma
ewiase ya no krasa obia wa ne master Canada Japan wo master abaifo nso wo master na kan anadi a Japan wako pie mu wo man Ghana mra so yefie Privileges committee ya se enne aka ndama kra mfa no na nya agoro o we trofa na o ya trofa kene ko na lawyer fo mienu e betie de course no ebi
soafo a wono hwempomden so de atodwa se wo man yetim se wo man a ye hwe se mpomden be koso nanso ade ba ko ha dwene pa ne se mpomden ye de beye amanyose
ensem no pi ka we ho anwumre yi na ye de esom se Adom no nsia Kasiebo na nam se de ote no an ye de mount no ye se won hwehwe wo ye naked ya de bro me Kofi Adoma wanwani na nankrato hene the wanf anwumre yi mene
obri yaboa fentem frem
ya makwa ba ne entena kopem se de live commentary ebeto also e wo Kasiebo mu Kasiebo na sia na ye free Ghana mampani Excellency na adodanko Akufo-Addo akache wode atodwa se woman Ghana edu bia bi ne de adwuma ehye nipa bi ensa ne titru contractors ahodo no se wo munya adwuma emwa woman Ghana na ebi ayene kokwasa sa na aye bibia wo something which is there on shada hunu sa de esi akọ wobesre contractor edi pokwasa interchange na hye ne nsa so onya adwuma no wonhwe no wonya adwuma no krogin no wanya ne yi a nani nansa ya citizen vigilante matemidu yama na adwuma so onye wobema oho afo papa se witwa ene ahokyere baba so no wabehunu say yes wahia pa na omampani nsam ahodo ade tudwa ene ono ankasa no wani ho ene nti pani omafo safo ono abo ya osafo mafo senior minister ene wokoko gina mu akyese ne wode sansem nyina etudwa abra no wotwa osokura eye apaso kafefe mu twa mu se ten safe de pipe open people fetch just any kwan no open people pass yan chance ye ne nya adwuma no wo hwe sika ye de asi ho a anya hwe no mfie mienu no wo mo awie kwan no na sika no besom America dollar no million no aduosia 60 million American choppable broni fufuro bay dollars ebunabunu pa ene yemfa hwe na afie mfa ntoto ne mani nyina wo che se ba ne sa wie a yo mamfo etu kwan ekokumase woni ekọ Wagadugu woni ekọ miam yahodo a won nyina fa poku ase no traffic ne enchi obi ontie ne oduru ho a se wuti abufu dade gas so ani uja no wodi tie ne obi a nyina obi
has resulted in a very serious traffic problem for the whole nation and is becoming almost unbearable in the greater Accra. Engineers are therefore looking at many other ways to reduce this congestion. Sometimes we take traffic jams for granted, but the cost to the nation is big. If you imagine that about 10,000 people are held in traffic 1 hour more than necessary, you are losing 10,000 man-hours for productivity in the country. The photographic look of this project, it is beautiful, it is modern, and it must be done to specification, and it must be done according to the design. I'm appealing to the contractors and the supervisors of this project, particularly the consultants, that please make sure that this project is delivered as designed and in good quality. We shall not entertain any shoddy work.
Shoddy work, be any shoddy. Oh, the Nisi Quano Swanya was some best, papa, or some shoddy work, be a human fine. And actually, no, I said, Nipadi, don't she baby, no what traffic mu. Nakai be a dear moon, 2 see, and then you know down him. One yaria, na wo breast or the quiet human, and na asa, our traffic mu was a hard drain. Nanumu, and another Safuma for Kasadia Mampany, who was actually say. Nipa bi wo ho mo dan ho beka ebi wo ho ane so to ho beka kyese enam se ye dwi kwan ne atrem nti no ajapade bi ho beka wo besre sika no ye twa no ye sempata sika no obi ansa beka ne de timi enkonko ye ne se o we de wo hwe nanimu a wo no wo ma na nwa mo kora obedi ame wo nka hwe na yamma mebi mfiafia wose da bi compensation sika bi empata sika no ye nche ne pepepe.
We want to appeal to all officers involved in providing compensation to those whose properties will be affected, to do so transparently and on time. To do so transparently and on time. It is sometimes very, I don't know what to say, but somebody has lost his house. His house is pulled down in the project. Money has been allocated for him to be compensated. People run rings around him, and he may end up getting only a portion of what is devoted for him. That kind of business must stop. People should get what they are entitled to.
To be a sanka de eseno na efatano enam na japade a ebia yedwiri agunti. Nanumu ena onabo ya osafoma for chese de wombe ye nyina no omu wi a traffic ne bekọ fom ehọ nso bese ye fam obi adu ho begina wa atwa selfie. Wo kan wie ye nipa wo area ho na joy when we go to heaven we de wo munya nru heaven. So almost say they are joy. Just say woman yaje papa yani e bidin komo almost say do baby a traffic ni tumi bo peso sa ti say there sabane sa woman yaje
interchange no there Frank ebe boy ya papa e say ya ye wo pokwa say ha say ye ko ejima wo krum na ye ba obetra ka more than 3 hours asana oba be do fie look imagine stretch a obe femu e chan anopa by 4:30 so one sorry 4:30 they just say obe ko ejima kra no wado ejima be na ye okro say ekwan we omu wie a ebe boy ya papa
me aye o mampene ho pa say ni a oye na wote so kwan fifin baby no ono so atoa so
ni ombe de efata ena esa esayeyi efise ebeboa nipa bebre ti se nyomudi gua ene dadade ena nyomu nanti sososo ebeboa
mfaso bebre bebam timfaso ande bebre wo mu adi gua obia benya ne hye amakese ne kwan no uduru ho a edem se totin
ya to akasia no so Ghana mampani na adodanko akufu ado ochima piesie bema boada wode ne sa ahyekrata asibafu atwero ne tententen si amfa nko man mra hyebadwafie atemuafo makomako enan empanimfo ntoto wono ma no to ma no wie na se wo mo se fata si wode wani kire o mai court kase supreme court a wo ma wonom enko krata no koduru ya pe achiame hina be de achi odi gan wo man mra hyebadwafie munyamfo Jose Usu na wode ato dwase ampa wonom saka krata asa brede wonom ma hyese mpani a wototo ano wo mo gba wo ho na wontena se na afei mpani yentu yensamfra wo mra mapie fie ho na asem bia wo so obisa wonom no wabisa sanse mampani bo odin na nkyerese age wotum yese mpanimfo si nkonwa etoto ano hwehwe mu a nyoma bi wo na senye sanso ye age wotum na ya na kyese wo hwe ayadwuma no yentie nsem a ekoso abra onimunyamfo Jose Usu edin nsem etudwa.
Appointment of justices of the Supreme Court. I hope to find you in good health and spirits. Pursuant to Article 1442 of the Constitution, the Judicial Council conveyed to me its advice on the appointment of the following persons to the Supreme Court. 1. Justice Samuel K. Mafusan, Justice of Appeal. 2. Justice Agnes M. Edoji, Justice of Appeal. 3. Professor Ni Ashikote, former Dean, Faculty of Law, University of Ghana, Legon. And 4, Nene O. Amegache, private legal practitioner and a former president of the Ghana Bar Association. For receipt of the Judicial Council's advice and in accordance with my duty under Article 1442, I consulted with the Council of State by submitting the names and curricula vitae of the appointees for appointment to the Supreme Court. The Council of State has notified my office that the consultation process for the appointment of the nominees as Justice of the Supreme Court is now complete. I'm therefore, in accordance with Article 1442, seeking the approval of Parliament for the appointment of the nominees as Justices of the Supreme Court. Their CVs are hereby attached. Mr. Speaker, it is my respectful hope and expectation that the approval of the nominees will proceed expeditiously to enable them assume office as soon as practicable.
Oniwanyamfo Joseph Osewusu wodi wani kire omemra shebedwa fia achame hena bedi akira wodi kan nene na otiye no na fia wa ye obedwaku a wonom de amamra ye di bu emaye ho nsem na afi ye hyehye wo mo na ehwe pani ba ko no so ka ho bi Roxen Nelson da fia mekpo ana ya nam sini omra shebedwa fia bedna gwasante ase du ba pani no obisa ne se wo ye obi a wabene mramu ye mranim ni enipa nan ya yabo mu din uhu ne se na o se we de mitwa mampani prusi sa nipa nan no efin bia ni obi ho so bi ko gina baabi na ototo ya mpia wo ho ne nipa kro na minim adekodi abantimu anti wo yesa esanso wo de wo ho twa kroje
person may congratulate nominees no omoye nipa 2 of the Court of Appeal judges no my cases bebre o woman into minim senior omajuma etie Mrs. Agnes Doji very strong on civil procedure and customary law jurisprudence. Justice Manfuso very strong on civil procedure, strong on commercial each adjudication, commercial law, and then energy issues, international contracts. Nini Amegache, former president of the Ghana Bar, I work under him as the president of the Young Lawyers Forum. Tina Onunsuno, Ehuntrase, Obetimi, Ambe Supreme Court Judge. Professor Nia Shikote, me former dean, Otreme Land Law, any natural resources law, environmental law, the faculty in I think 2005 until also he say ordinary rich experience abeba Juma Supreme Court until nipa 9 unless say nya issue be a na issue be a ye nima obi betro memoranda dia ba no me hwe nim say parliament be clear amoma be the Omojuma so Mudi Supreme Court. It's a fact that Justice Manfuso and Justice Agnes Doji served on the Justice Benning Committee. We were part of the 3 Superior Court judge. Abani Fu said, who trust Beko serving another in a higher capacity. Fu said, Omoye Juma.
Onimonyamfo Nelson Roxen Dafia Mepo. Oyemra shebedwani onu akronwa mayemra shebedwafie okwa bedwaku a wonmo hwe mra ne hyehye na afi yede ya adwuma so oka ho bi ne na oteye no
oman Ghana mra shebedwafie na yeda so ewo asen central mra shebedwani sede pondo bio apondo obo ne nwom no obi a wo ne master Canada Japan wo master enti ene kan ne masters atronsa frɛ no e wo man Ghana mra shebedwafie se nanu akoyi ne ka ensem bi okekan ya fo man Ghana mra shebedwafo ho no ye fa ne se wa contempt enti ye de sa akwadui ebo no ane sa wamra no mehia privileges committee wo man Ghana mra shebedwafie ne wonyini ho ano enware mienhwe se ne ho ba fi kwabo am ye hunu se de wokan ye no na enye na adwenbone so ananse ho asem tete ekọ wie ye na je se MPs no emumiensa wo ma twa krata akoma committee ne se hwan no ba committee amoso ba bedina asem ye se Kennedy Japan we se o de memma we se o memma just trade no wo mu ayi wo mu afrim dada tina ma afi committee no kwakotena se no ase number no eso tia ne sa enti anam so ama Alexander Afenyo Markin wono ene aloyafo no mu ba ko a wo mu gina mu ede ama honorable Kennedy Japan ko page ansem ba ma chese na ene na nya agorokra ene we yi brofo no de ato ha na we yi ni de na chese enti kakra.
We have just taken custody of a communication, and with your leave, we would like to read same in full and aloud. The Chairman, Privileges Committee, Office of Parliament. We, the undersigned members of Parliament, hereby, fortified by Order 1644 of the Rules of Parliament, disqualify ourselves from the ongoing investigations involving Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan. As you may be well aware, the respondent is the caucus chairman for the Central Region, and all of us have a close relationship with him. We are unable, therefore, to discharge our duties without bias. Please accept our decision to recuse ourselves. Most grateful to you, sir. Signed, Honorable Cynthia Morrison, MP for Aguna West, Honorable Nana Iya, MP for Gumwa Central, Honorable Samuel Nsuwajan, MP for Upper Dencha West. Mr. Speaker, these have all been signed. And Mr. Chairman, we took pains to look at the said provisions. And Order 1644 reads, a member of the committee may disqualify himself from participating in any investigation of the conduct of a member, officer, or employee of the House upon a declaration in writing that he cannot render an impartial.
In fact, woman cabro for no man wapa. Afenyo ma ken watch chemuno. Say nipa ni bi che say woman can de Japan in a war in mantemu. A che say ne woman nyina ye MPs. Ti eba ne se ba be di kan asem a. Woman tumi we kan animu a nka so woman be di asem ne French. Mo ahwe anu woman asa achompa. Ti asem no say koyo say ba woman nka say yom ho afiri. Mo de ye ni asem ye di wi a de be bia no woman beje e de atum. Na asem nyina ne say kan de Japan aka ma na no akotwi honorable say che mensa bonsu. Ama eno no ye fa ne say asem o kan no wan kan ye. Eno ho na akwakofa na privileges committee asabe oyi ne ho ano no. Na abra afenyo ma kan page asase mi kire say ni nti wo hwe committee no seten no number no so ate ne say de ese ekọ procedure ese ekọ no a opani Jose Usujo wise say deputy speaker of parliament ne me aso na msan chairman ma committee asem ya afenyo wo kan de me no nya adwen o mo ye adwuma.
I've heard the preliminary objection and one is substantive and not preliminary. There are three issues raised that some members of the committee have made comments which they consider prejudicial, that the motion that was carried in the House was defective, a motion that has been action taken in the chamber is being challenged at the committee, defective. The committee has determined prima facie without hearing the defendant, and that some members are purported to recuse themselves from the committee. The ruling is that all the objections are overruled. The reasons will be incorporated in the final report of the committee. Now, Honourable Member.
But, Mr. Chairman, let a copy of which, just to make sure that we at least understand where the chairman, the committee sits and where council and the respondent, where we sit. Mr. Chairman, the copy of this letter was read out to you, which indicated quite clearly that some members of your committee have actually advanced an intention, the Speaker, to recuse themselves within the meaning, the Speaker, of our standing orders. Shall we just read that specific paragraph again? Where it says at paragraph order 1644 is this, that a member of the committee may disqualify himself from participating in any investigation.
Brofo, just any Katie Hammond, not to say, oh, Brofo, I found your marking, you're non quan who could marking in the Japan. Katie Hammond, Tahir Hammond, one also can be, and no movie Brofo. Oh, church, I said. And chairman na lawyer for the good for me adeno na asetana ya den kakra ti de chairman kan ne say adeno say dia twema mentwa sha ase ntemi de ebe ya ye ntwin hyeda we say as a we twene mresi na we twene mresi ha.
This is a public hearing, so I have to explain why we will have to bring the proceedings to a close and continue at a subsequent date. Our attention has been drawn to some members of the committee applying to be excused. Standing order says that the committee will determine whether we accept or not. We cannot do that while witness and others. Indeed, we cannot do that determination in public. To that extent, we'll bring the proceedings to a close.
See, one more de kon ho, one be peda fofra, one more de ebeba. Na ni nyina mu no MPs na one more cast one ntemu na bi nso kire say asam ne ba no one kasa kra de kan kasa o. De kan ne de wan kan boni o nti I say Woma di kan ka wo adwen dada. Ti san ne betena committee ni so a. Na je so ono na adwen no wadi kan bɔ ne po dada nti ne be ya yenyim fam firim. Na ba ne san so a na pobɔ no ankasa no entumi enkɔsɛ de ekɔ. Ene nam so ma wo mu atu e de ahye no. Na owie ye na eye aloyafo a wo mu gyina mu e de ama Canada Japan. Idini kan KT Hammond. And afi Alexander Fenyomak o moncheso nyese bi o my adwen se o pese o betata committee no mo adwuma ne yabasa nemum se de anamo no ese tu no wontu ne sa pepe pa panin se bia ase de no ese da no wanfa nto efrito ti enenti enema o mo peja o monsa no.
Procedurally, we believe that a few things went wrong. We made our submissions. Chairman of the committee is rude. They would have to come back. And when they invite us, we will come back.
Due process must be followed. If a man's hand is found in a till, his guilt must be proved.
Brofo. Katie Hammond and I found in a till. I just say any walk up brofo no ko kan obeka say Mr. Speaker wo wonte brofo we ye London brofo. Ti Katie Hammond wo we brofo gu no. Wo se anamo no ase etu na mum yentu ne kwan so.
Adom 106.3 FM Sunye we nunum de World Cup nti atwea banimu Naket ene de ma wona santimantam ye nhira 104.5 yenim se Facebook live Adom 106.3 ehwa na wo hwe yen koso a na fe wo de adwenkyere ne ba berem ye bekenkane nyina de ama na yenko yanim sofo a enkane no ya bedi akire ema mpomdene atena ye no ye fe no rojo metal no wo de atodwa se ne ma bi ekoso mai mu ha dwene paase anhwe anka emwa titru ne mpomdene eho adwuma waso hwe mpomdene de odasane bi ahia bi nanso mai ya de aya amanyosem ama eya atoape ye hwe ye wasade no anye saa ebedu ba bi no ye nya akra from say amagana masanse ya de beku ye nyina enama amanyosem nti ensemi wode tudwa abra na ne woni adwuma ko bi aka bomu waso nro pa ne bo se pounds enwotwe pounds ampem nwotwe anaja wasesa na adwumaku a wodi wo mani mu gina wonam di ndoi koma yenuanom a wadwum haw aya asabia eye frɛ wonom Medimax SK anafe Glemark Pharmaceutical and Styled Consort Limited wonum nyina anaja obobo sika no kakra aja onya ya ekoduru pounds ampem nwotwe a wodi aso anu anya nukuma wodi akwa yenuanom na wokasa no wokyerem se wo man ye duru ba bia obaha yesi no ede koma yenuanom mo adwum haw ebi nko afi akoyese na we prekotoa no ya prekotoa ya hwe ni ya dabi ebe yeso asem.
Managing health institutions is a process, and the population is never depleting, it's increasing. And lifestyle diseases, we're living longer and we're having all kinds of challenges. So it's about institutional building, renewal, maintenance of existing infrastructure, finding ways of engaging the private sector. The government cannot do it alone. So it's a very complex industry, and the blame game is not helping anybody. You must find a way institutionally to build capacity. You must find a way. I mean, there was a time we had an overproduction of midwives, and then they aged, and then suddenly there was a shortage of midwives. Some medical professionals want further training. It's not available locally. They leave the country. There's a brain drain. So how do you keep your information system aware of manpower shortages or drug shortages, depleted equipment, non-functional equipment? Sometimes it's not that the equipment does not exist, but you never paid attention to post-warranty.
Opani Rojo Metonunu enkana no yaso afa bedi akira wo hwe mpodire so ne na ote yere na wodi no ne ma ya wo kasa wie ya panimpa wo no na ya sabia hodo wo mayimu ne fa ehwe nuanom wo adwum ha wo da wo no Dr. Kasiebo Is edi tu dwa se nyame anim ni ye de afa ehwam we no ebeche kakra ene anya hwe kra no abusumi nsia de ebedi ti obecha ma yenuanom awa ayasabia sabe wo wadwum haw no se de be ya de be mo akopem se afei aban so behunu se de wo so de ba no wo de aba na afei so wo masene ama babi ombeko bia no akwa koduru ehu
ayarefo no bi ho no ma enno no bi embo mo eje enno no fun so ne so won kasa no ene won yare na ni so ntia na enno no bi embo mo sanre obiti sakra no enno no bebo no enti ebetumi aboen ama yetumi ahwa ayarefo no ama ho aton entem esen kane no de enkadan ho ton kra no ebebo ama ne ho atimi aton no enti enura esombo se wo kopena bontin to a ni boarding pa ene nyame ada rom de we abrain enti ade a yeni so de hadwin kakra ne se entimi nkwachi bebre enti de bebu se ho se na se ekosan obeyende yɛbɔ mpaeɛ sɛ ɛnu sɛ nsa no ne bia na wɔn ankasa de bi abɛka ho ana ɔdɔm foforɔ bi de bi aba ana ayarefoɔ no abusuafoɔ ahunu sɛ ɛndure ɛbɔ mpaa nti ɛne wɔn ankasa bɛtumi abɔ mmɔde ato bɔtɔm akɔpɛ ɛnu no bi ato abɔnten anya bi abosom nsia na bɛtumi di ne nyinaa bɔ mu a 11,200 tablets nti obi ɛbɛfa ɛnu no nyinaa sɛ ebi wɔ hɔ bɛfa no ndakɔ ebi so hɔ bɛfa no bɛka no mmienu abom afa no ndakɔ kyɛ sɛ bɛfa dabi abako na wobɛka mmienu abom na wofa no sɛ dabi abako a ɛnɛ sɛ nipa baako pɛ ne nkɛde ma no a nka itwam bɛ 30 years ansa na nka wafa nti yɛde ma hospital nyinaa hospital baako sɛ wɔn anyi so a ɛbɛdi bɛbosome nsia ɛkɔ bɛbosome nwɔtwe ansa na so
Panimpa wono na da mental health authority ano Dr. Kwasi Osei nene ena otie no.
Yetra Kasiebo no eso hwene nso se Kasiebo nyina ukọ www.adomonline.com. Yase tintimi nyina egu ho obetumi enya na watie ewo ho. Malaria bi